to Sisters Cooking and Crafts.
And me.
That's right, today we have a special guest. Today we'll be making
Crunchy caramel corn.
Here are the ingredients.
Half cup popcorn kernels. 1 stick butter. Half cup corn syrup. 1 cup brown sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Half a teaspoon of baking soda.
First, we're going to make the popcorn. Now we're going to make our caramel. Put corn syrup, brown sugar, and butter in a pot. Cook on stove at medium-high heat and stir. Once it's boiling, boil for 3 to 4 more minutes. Now put your baking soda in the pot and your vanilla. Stir it up really good and then pour it on your popcorn. Like all of it. Now mix it in really well. Spread your caramel corn out on a 10 by 15 pan. Then bake in the oven at 250 for a half hour. After you take them out of the oven, let them cool for 5 minutes. Then you can enjoy your caramel corn. Thanks for watching.